Every trail and forest preserve tells a story, and behind every great outdoor experience, there's a team making it happen. From keeping our preserves safe, to maintaining the trails, to helping visitors make the most of their time in nature, our employees go the extra mile. They're the ones protecting, preserving, and enhancing your connection to the outdoors. Meet our Trailblazers.
I'm David Piotrowski. I'm Concession Manager here at Hidden Lakes, and I've worked for the Forest Preserve for 3 years. Well, the reason I say Hidden Lakes is my happy place is because, first of all, you're coming out and it's nature. Second of all, I'm doing something, working at fishing, which is probably my favorite thing in the world to do. You're seeing birds, you're seeing animals, and then if you catch, I mean, if you get proficient at it, you want to fish more and more. I'm chomping to come into work because it's not like work. I mean, I'm doing something that I love. When I retired, I could not stand retirement. I was so structured. I'm so used for 40-some years to go to work and get up, you did a certain thing, and you follow a pattern. That was very difficult for me to get used to. So I applied and they hired me, which was a godsend. I used to fish here quite often. I mean, and I met a lot of people, and I would associate with the staff too. I talked to them. I caught many a fish, and I can always remember, right over here is my dad's tree. We have a memorial tree, and he used to fish the trout here. He loved it. Well, for one thing, I put my rods and reels in my car early March. I do not take them out until late November. Every day I don't work, I probably go for 2 to 3 hours, maybe longer. Around here, my favorite fish is the bass. They're in all the ponds in town. If I pass a pond and if public can access it, I'll throw some lines. The most fulfilling thing and the nicest thing people say to me, they'll come back and say, David, you put us on this spot, you gave us the bait, and my kids caught fish, I caught fish, and they're thrilled to death. I mean, and that's a fulfilling part of the job. When you get people come up and affirm what you told them, I mean, what more can you ask for? The most rewarding is when they come in, you give them a smile, they'll smile back. It gives you the warm and fuzzies when people interact with you in a positive way. And I stress positive constantly. My seasonals, I tell them, always interact with the customers. Smile. That's the biggest thing a person can do with customer service. When I put people on fish and they come back, they are thrilled to death about it. To me, that's probably the nicest thing ever said to me, was people coming up and they always comment on how I'm always smiling and happy, and they love coming to the shop just to greet us. That's a feather in my cap, it's a feather in my seasonal's cap. I mean, it means we're doing something right. Come out, you got a chance of catching fish if you're a fisherman. You've got walking trails all over. We connect the Whalen Lake, that walking path. You've got a myriad of things to do, and if you just come here and sit, you could sit by the shop, watch our bird feeding station, watch the hummingbirds. I mean, that's what it's all about. I'll steal Kevin Costner's line, is this heaven? And the answer is no, it's Hidden Lakes. And to me, that's what this Forest Preserve is all about.